IRB, or income replacement benefits, is one of the standard accident benefits that may be available to Ontario residents injured in car accidents. How much IRB is payable depends on some factors, including, most importantly, how much was the person's income prior to the accident, and also whether they had purchased optional accident benefits, or specifically optional income replacement benefits prior to the accident. These optional accident benefits could increase income replacement benefits. If you have not purchased them, IRB generally covers 70% of your gross weekly income before the accident, up to a maximum of $400 a week. This $400 a week cap that I mentioned could be increased had you purchased optional benefits. The amount and calculation method changes if the claimant is over the age of 65. IRB is not payable for the first week of disability. After that, it is payable for 2 years, inclusive of that 1 week, if the person suffers a disability to do their own work. If the injuries are so severe that the person cannot do any work that they would otherwise be able to do, then IRB can be paid for longer than 2 years.